If you are running a new version of FreeCAD and you had a previous version of FreeCAD installed on your computer, you will be greeted with this dialog, which helps you with transferring of the configuration from the previous version. So by default, the recommended way is to copy configuration, which actually does copy all of the configuration that you had previously in your previous version of FreeCAD. But note that if you are copying the configuration, you might copy a lot of data. In my case, it's very little data, but you will be also basically installing all of the add-ins that you have installed in your previous versions. So it might take a while to download the data. But for me, it will be fast. If I copy my configuration, the migration is happening, and then FreeCAD restarts. Now you can see that after FreeCAD 1.1 restarts, all of my settings are transferred from the previous versions. So you can see it, for instance, on my workbench switcher, or the model and task panel are here. So this is quite convenient when you want to start straight away and you have a lot of customization in your FreeCAD installation. The second option that you have in this dialog, I restarted a fresh install of FreeCAD 1.1 again. So you have got two other options than the recommended one, and that is this one. I prefer use a new default configuration. This means that you will start as with a fresh install of FreeCAD 1.1 as if you never had any FreeCAD installed on your system. So I like to start fresh and set up everything again. I don't have much customization in my install, so I choose this, and then FreeCAD restarts, and it restarts as if you installed FreeCAD on your system for the first time. So you have the welcome to FreeCAD screen, and you can set up FreeCAD as you want from scratch. Now the third option that you have when installing new version of FreeCAD is to share configuration with previous version. This means that the configuration files are shared with the previous version, and if you start, let's say, FreeCAD 1.0, it will use the same files as when you start FreeCAD 1.1. I definitely do not recommend this one, but it's an option. You just click again and you are basically using the previous versions files and configuration. Now if I take a look at the configuration files folder, which depends on your system, you can see that I've got these configuration files which are straight in the folder. These are from the older FreeCAD versions than version 1.1. And if I chose to have a independent configuration setup of 1.1 version, it will be in the v1-1 folder. So here are the settings for FreeCAD 1.1, and you can see that I already have a development version of FreeCAD 1.2 installed, and here is the setup, the configuration files of this version. So now they are easily differentiated, and so now it's much more convenient to run several versions of FreeCAD next to each other on one system. Now if you want to know where your config files are stored on your system, you can open the Python console, and here you will write App.getUserAppDataDir, like so. It's case sensitive, and then you have to write two parentheses, so parameters of the command are empty. If you hit enter, you will see where your config files are located. So this is it about the migration of your config files. This is new in FreeCAD 1.1. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.